Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. As you know, in this video I am going to show you how to do your YouTube automation by yourself. So don't try to skip any part of this video because I am showing you a detailed process. So don't miss any step. First of all, you have to create your YouTube account. After that, click on setting option. As you can see in the left side of your YouTube page, you can check below setting. You simply have to click on setting. As you can show in this video, simply you have to click on general is already selected, so you don't need to edit it. Now click on channel and click on basic info. First of all, you have to select your language. Whether you are Pakistani, whether you are Indian, whether you are any country, you have just have to select United States. Okay. The reason is that YouTube's algorithm pays a lot with United States. So second step is keywords. This is very important step. As you can see, we have an option of 500 tags, so you have to try to complete this box, these requirements. You have to write 500 tags according to your niche. As I am making a vlogger YouTube channel, so I am selecting the tags according to vlogging. So you have to select according to your niche, whatever you are choosing. Education, you are choosing cooking, dressing, anything, entertainment, etc. This step is very important because it saves your time, also help in your YouTube channel growth. Reason is that whenever a person search any word from this following, your channel will appear in front of him. Okay, so you can imagine how important step it is. So you have to write only 500 words. After completing the process, now simply have to click on save button. First of all, you have to observe all these tags. It should be 500 out of 500. Now simply click on save button. Again open your setting, click on setting option. Now come to the point number 2, channel and advanced settings. Okay, you do very keenly focused on this process. Simply have to read these instructions, and after reading, select middle option no. It means no, it's not made for kid. After that, you have to click on don't show potentially, and after clicking on this, just scroll down and click on allow viewers. And the next two options should be ticked. After that, simply click on save button and save the setting. Now come to the part number 3. Just read out, simply checked it, and again click on save button. Now again come to the setting option. As you can show, now come to the point number 3, upload default. This is very important process. First of all, you have to paste any title. As I am writing daily vlogs. Okay, the second point is description. For description, you can use your tags, but one thing you should have to do is remove comma by pressing backspace. And it is good if you are writing your queries in front of your description. After completion this process, you simply have to click on save button, as you can see in this video. And very important thing, must add hashtags. As you can see in my video, I am adding hashtag viral vlogs, hashtag YouTube, hashtag 1 million views, hashtag growth, hashtag my channel name. Due to this process, your channel will appear in search list, which is very beneficial for your YouTube growth. Now come to the point number 2, which is visibility. You have to click on public, and third step is tag. Simply have to paste your tags, and it should be again 500 out of 500. Now comes the option B, advanced settings. This is also very important step to choose your category. If you are not choosing your category, YouTube algorithm doesn't recommend it in your required audience. As I am choosing entertainment because I am uploading daily vlogs. Now second point is language. You have to select English. After that you have to select again United States. Okay, this is very important step. You will feel the results after your complete automation. Now select none. As you can see, there are four options, but we have to select on none. Okay, now simply click on save button. After you are saving your settings, again come on your setting option, as you can show in this video. Now come to the point number 4, permissions. Okay, this is not important. Come point number 5th, which is blocked word. I'm using shit. Okay, you can use your own word, whatever you are using to. Now simply click on save button. I am clicking on hold commands. This is your choice. Again open setting. Now the last option is agreements. Okay, now you can see all your settings, these are complete. After this you have to again check these settings. Although your YouTube automation is completed, but the few steps are remaining, which are your channel setting. Okay, simply have to click on your channel, and you have to upload a banner for your YouTube channel. There should be a attractive profile picture. For that you have to click on channel, customize channel. Okay, a dashboard appears in front of you. Simply have to click on upload button and choose a banner. Okay, now second option is profile. Simply click on upload button and you can upload your profile. Next step is description. Simply have to paste your description, which you, if you want to add any link, just click on add link and add your email address if you want to add. Otherwise you can skip this step. Next step is upload a watermark. This is totally your choice, this is optional. If you can, you have simply have to click on upload button and select from your gallery, from your photo lab. Now check your all automation is completed. Now just have to refresh your account and your YouTube automation is completed. I hope you will better understand about this complete YouTube automation and these settings. You can also earn from these settings because everyone doesn't know about these. Take care. Bye bye.